Hey subscribers, I just found probably one of the best dividend stocks money can buy. I was honestly so shocked once I reviewed everything about this company, its technical analysis, its balance sheet, and it seems like the perfect dividend stock to invest in. I'll go ahead and tell you exactly why in this video, and this is the 5th episode in the $1,000 monthly dividend payment challenge. Yo, what's going on subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market, as well as how to make more money. So that's what this channel is all about, so make sure you subscribe, that way you do not miss out any interesting videos from us where you get to learn how to make more money overall. Also, make sure you give us a like in this video. It really helps out get the video to more people. So I would really appreciate, this video takes time to produce, so I would really appreciate that from you. And leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Really quickly, before we get started, I do want to take this opportunity to share some of our amazing referral links where you actually get free money, free stocks by using any one of those. So this is M1 Finance. You get free $10 as soon as you get started with them. I use them every single day. And then we have Robinhood. You get a free stock if you sign up for Robinhood, so no reason why you shouldn't do it. It's basically free money because you can sell the stock and then buy the stock that you actually want, or just keep the money in your bank account and use it for any expense. And then we have Acorns, a free $5 for you to get started investing with them. I use Acorns to invest my cash back. It works out really well and I absolutely love the platform. And then we have Weibull. You actually get 2 free stocks as soon as you sign up. A very good offer. I got about $15 by doing this because I decided to sell them because it wasn't any companies that I was interested in. So I just took the money and invested it into another stock that I actually wanted. And then this is the secured, Discover secured credit card. You get 1 to 2% cash back on every single purchase. If you're not getting cash back for every single purchase that you make, if you're doing something wrong, you need to take advantage of this because it's free money. And then you get a $50 sign-up bonus as soon as you get started. So all the links are in the description. Alright, so let's get started. So this company is Universal Corporation. You might have never heard of it, but they're actually one of the biggest manufacturers of tobacco. So what they do is they basically sell tobacco to a lot of companies that produce cigarettes. And this makes them very popular and have a lot of income. So you can see the description right there to get more information. But basically, it's this giant company responsible for procuring, financing, processing, packing, storing, and shipping tobacco and other agri-products. So a very big company. A lot of the cigarettes are made because of this company. This is like the wholesaler to every single cigarette company. So they have a lot of cash flow, a lot of money. And I'll give you more details why I thought this was a great investment. Alright, so this is my Robinhood portfolio. Right now it's at a value of $12,000, and this is my $1,000 monthly dividend challenge, where I teach every single one of you how to get paid $1,000 per month in dividends. It's a challenge that I have for me, and I'm documenting every single step that I take in this portfolio to be able to achieve that. So I'm going from day 1 all the way until I achieve the $1,000 per month. And every week I'm buying a new stock. So this week was Universal Holding, UVV. I absolutely love this stock for many reasons, and I'll talk about them in this video. So this is the 5-year chart. As you see, it's continuing to grow. It doesn't grow a lot, but with dividend stocks, I don't really care about the growth. I just want to make sure it continues to pay that dividend. So I bought 20 shares, average cost $56.77, equity about $1,135. This is 10.62% of my portfolio. And then let's go ahead and look at the description of this stock, just so you get a little bit more of a background info, even though I already shared that with you. But this is what Robinhood shows you. So they're basically worldwide. They have a lot of business segments, so not just North America. And this is great because you want to have a diversified company that is worldwide doing business every single place. Not just the United States, because something can happen to the United States and they're probably going to stop paying its dividend. So that's why it's good that it's very diversified, and it's also a very old company. This is a great sign. You want to be investing in old companies, because that means that they have been able to withstand time. So they've been able to go through recessions, anything like that. These companies are very solid. They have a great balance sheet that keeps them very strong, and it's an addiction space. So a lot of people keep on buying cigarettes. They're always going to be consumers, so you might as well keep on making money from people who have this sort of addictions. And then this is a graph, the technical analysis. So we have a 5-year graph and a MAC chart. I always recommend, before investing in any single stock, you have to look at the MAC chart, because the MAC chart is going to give you the performance of the stock throughout its entire lifetime. You want to make sure that the stock has an upward trending pattern like this one. This is a beautiful example. It's always making higher highs. It's not that dramatic, it's more steady, but you can tell that the price is growing over time. This is exactly what you want in any single stock that you invest in. If it doesn't have an upward trending pattern, don't invest in it, because your money's going to go however the stock grows. So if it overall declines, your money's going to decline. So I'm going to illustrate this more clearly by drawing a line. So as you see, this is an upward trending line. It's always making higher highs every single time. So this is a great long-term investment that will produce great results for your money. You should be having all of your money in investments like this, not anything speculative or something that is constantly decreasing in value. This is a simple strategy that you need to implement in order to be a successful stock market investor. So the next thing is a balance sheet. You want to make sure it has great financials. This means that the company is able to withstand difficult times when most businesses are having a difficult time. And having great financials is going to be the number one sign that this company is robust and able to withstand difficult circumstances. If they have a lot of money, that means they're able to withstand difficult times. So the main thing is you want to make sure the total assets are bigger than the total liabilities. So this has $2 billion in total assets, right? The total liabilities is less than $1 billion. It's like 600 million, something like along those lines. So it's less than the total assets. You want to make sure always more assets than liabilities. This is the best and easiest way to figure out if this is a strong company. So UVV pays a dividend yield of 5.42%. Annualized payout for one share is $3.04, but they pay to you quarterly. I'll show you the math and all this, so don't worry if it sounds confusing. Dividend growth. This stock has been continuing to pay that dividend for 47 years. This is insane, and this is exactly what you need to be buying, companies like this. The payout ratio, I'm not sure if it's correct, because I've never seen a stock that has 0.00, but I'm just going to go with that. The dividend payment is 76 cents for every single share that you own, and this stock costs about $50. So as you see, this is the spreadsheet where I keep track of all the dividend stocks that I own in my $1,000 per month dividend challenge, and UVV is the most recent addition. I bought 20 shares. The dividend yield is 5.42. The monthly payout for all the shares that I own is $5.07. The quarterly payout is $15.20. The yearly payout is $60.80. So every year I'm getting paid that amount just to hold it. Pay per share 76 cents. Average cost $56.77. So you have to make sure you keep track of your investments. What is not being measured cannot be improved. So this is something very important that you need to be doing for every single investment that you make, and every single thing that you want to improve in general. If you're not measuring, you're not going to be able to improve it. So the monthly amount that I need now after this week is $963. So we've been able to lower it from the $1,000 goal to $963. This is amazing, and we're on the right track. My current monthly dividend payment is $36.63. The weekly spending money for more dividends, so that means the money that I get in dividends that I get to use to spend on dividend stocks, the same money I get in dividends every week, I'm getting $9.16. So this is lowering my cost for every single dividend stock that I buy. And there's some more information, some statistics that you might be interested in, but the most important thing is the $36.63 per month. Alright, so that's our addition of UVV into this portfolio. Let me know your opinion on the stock. Do you think it's a strong buy? What is your opinion on UVV? Do you think I made a great purchase? What do you think about this portfolio? Do you think I'm doing great in this challenge? Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you also following along? One thing that I wanted to notice, it doesn't matter if you don't buy as many shares as I do. So it's okay if you just buy 5, 10, as many as you can. But the most important thing is for you to continue building this. That way you can take benefits from compound interest. And also, so you know how I get paid $36 per month now because of this stock that I bought. So basically, those $36, I'm not spending it on expenses that I have personally. What I'm doing is I'm reinvesting that into this dividend portfolio. So every single week, I'm getting more money to invest back into dividend stocks, which are gonna make me more money, which gives me more money to buy more dividend stocks, which gives me more money to put back into buying more dividend stocks. So you see the pattern? That is what is called compound interest. I'm taking advantage of free money that's given to me by investing, and by me reinvesting that, it starts to compound the results. So right now, it might start off slowly because I'm building it slowly right now, but once it's like 6 months in, 1 year in, it's gonna be insane because that means that I'm buying shares with the same money that I'm basically getting back, which means that I'm able to buy more shares overall because I'm still investing the same money that I put in every single week. If you have any questions or are confused or anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below. I really appreciate your support and you watching this video. It really helps me out. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and leave me a comment. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.